Uh-oh, someone's trying to climb out of the playpen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You see Ken? He knows how to prop up the pillow, and he stands on it, and he tries to climb out. That's the first time I've ever seen him on this one. Oh, there he does it. Look at his leg. Whoa, I can't believe that. Whoa, baby Ken, 20 months old, climbing out of his playpen with the help of his pillow. Down there. Ken, are you being sneaky? Look at Ken. Look at Ken. Are you being sneaky? Whoa, look at Ken. Are you being... he props it up with the pillow. Whoa, Ken is pretty flexible with his leg all the way up. Look, Ken almost did the splits, and then he lifts his leg up. Are you being sneaky, Ken? You're sneaky. Look at his leg. Wow. Wow, Ken's being sneaky. Wow, look at Ken. Hey, Ken. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Ken Porter. Ken! Say bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Ken, say bye-bye. Ken! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. He wants to come out. Alright, see you later.